Coming to our stage is an artist who received his BA in Media Studies from the University of Buffalo before dedicating his time to classic hip-hop albums, clever T-shirts, and bodega sandwiches. Currently, he's the host of Open Slam at the New Yorican Poets Cafe. Please give it up for New York's very own Jive Poetic.
Grapes, green, no seeds. Fresh from the fruit stand it only sold fresh fruit. Fresh, definition, directly from the source in its newest form. Question, is fresh fruit fresh from the tree or fresh from the processing factory? How is it possible for seedless fruit to exist? Fruit, definition, seed-bearing part of a plant. Plant, definition, an organism that reproduces through the production of seeds that are fed by the fruit of the plant. Alternative definition, a building that produces synthesized food for mass consumption. Conclusion, fresh is too ambiguous of a description for the noun fruit. Quite possibly, alchemists are dipping their fingers into biological engineering, cloning, and altering the genetic makeup of your food. Question, if they're cloning your food, what makes you think they won't start cloning people soon? They've already cloned sheep, created broccoli flour, hybrid animals, and vegetables are the precursors for the clone wars that have already begun to produce these mutated science projects that live behind bars in South American circuses. They will soon be able to control the production of minorities. And I'm not just talking about black people. I'm talking about redheaded lefties too. Right now, Stanford University is manipulating human stem cells in graduate laboratories. It's only a matter of tick-tock time. I said it's only a matter of tick-tock time before you see an identical you. And you'll be nothing more than a copy of yourself, boiled down into a jar of liquid blueprints, labeled with a barcode, numerical representation of your height, weight, social security number, on a shelf next to a bottle of seedless grapes. Green, no seeds. Possible side effects, never fully disclosed to the public. Cause of cancer and sterility, never fully disclosed to the public. Question, is there a connection between processed food, cancer, and sterility? Possibly. Cloning will become like population control, life insurance, taxable to the point the average man won't be able to make babies, and the common man will become extinct, studied, and remembered by the rich and super rich who fight just to live and not die at the hands of the next scientific revolution or before it spins into action. Quote, the only thing keeping man from cloning men is the fact that it's immoral. Like lying. Like cheating, stealing, killing. Immoral like the Tuskegee experiments. All immoral but considered justifiable under the right hand of the law. Conclusion, immoral doesn't mean illegal. So secretly cloned people are being reproduced on conveyor belts in controlled environments with the intentions of having them leak into the general population, replacing the unfavorable individuals who've all been trained to enjoy eating grapes. Green, no seeds. They have been extracted and planted into the earth to give birth to the Clone Wars.
Mr. Poetic.
Mr. Last.
Man, killed it.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Go ahead and join the conversation on Twitter. Jive Poetic, would you please take us to commercial, sir?
Yes. Stay tuned. We'll be right back with more verses and flow.
Yes.
Don't touch that channel. We'll be right back.